So as you can see right away, we have an entirely new dashboard. We have decided to deprecate the news feed that we had here before, and instead we provide some useful information about the server memory, about the connected devices, OS images. We have a little notification center here, and that will tell the users if there's anything that requires attention, some errors or something they have to do. Another thing is that right now we have device recognition. So before we would have an icon, the screen icon, for all kinds of our clients that we had connected to NoTouch Center. Right now, this icon only stays for our regular x86 clients, and the icon will be different for all the other devices. So for example, we have a Raspberry Pi here, and we can see right away that this is a Raspberry Pi based on its icon. The same happens for Jetson Nano, and we have some more devices that you can connect to NoTouch Center that I'm going to talk about a little bit later. But let's stick to the design right now. Of course, the pattern is repeated throughout the whole application. So for example, here in the filter, you can see the icons are different for each kind of devices as well. The next thing, we have decided to remove our save button from here, and an announce button that was here in the bottom right corner went up. This button will always be there. So no matter where we go, it will always be there. Of course, on the group level, if we click that, it will announce to the whole group. If you go to the client, it will announce to the client. Same for the session. So this, of course, will apply to the client to which the session is attached. But some people might think what happened to the save button. So right now, the thing is that we don't need it because everything is auto-saved. So we don't have to click and save the settings because they will be saved right away. So the next time the client checks into NoTouch Center, it will get configuration, or we can just click announce. Also, some people might wonder what just happened and why do we have this little lock icon here. So this is also our latest addition, and because we have the autosave right now, we didn't want a situation where somebody starts typing something but hasn't finished yet, and the client will check in and get the incomplete configuration. So what we did is that the client now waits for 2 minutes, and for the 2 minutes from the last save time, the client will not receive the configuration. So it's locked for 2 minutes. We can, of course, remove the lock if we want to by simply announcing to the client. So if we announce, the lock disappears. So you have also probably noticed that we have a little bit different dialogues right now. So this alert is not a regular alert, not a regular browser alert. It was before. It's our custom designed. One of the changes that you can probably notice if you are our customer already is that we split our role list from our user list. Before, it will be together, one under another, and for some people that was confusing, so we decided to split it, and we will have users and roles in separate tables. One small thing that we also decided to change is our upload mechanism. So of course the functionality stays the same as it was, because I mean by default it's just uploading files to the server, so we can't do much there, but it looks a little bit different. It's a little bit more efficient, and users who already are familiar with our virtual appliance might already recognize it, because it's the same mechanism that we have everywhere across our platform right now, so including NoTouch Center, the virtual appliance, and the OS.